Thank you for volunteering to be part of Habitat for Humanity Philippines. This is our site where we build houses with families in need. Before we start with the volunteer work, let us go through important points that need to be remembered when going to the site. First of all, make sure you have filled out and submitted your volunteer form and waiver. Second, wear the appropriate clothes for the build. Loose, comfortable clothing. Long and durable pants. Take note that we discourage wearing of short pants at the construction site. And closed, sturdy shoes. These clothes are recommended to avoid abrasions, cuts, and scratches. Third, bring necessary items only to the site. Cap or bandana to protect you from the heat. You can also bring sunglasses to protect you from the glare of the sun. Sunblock or lotion and hand sanitizers. Raincoat or poncho in case it rains. Bottled water, snacks, and meals. Extra shirt and hand or face towel to keep you fresh until the end of the build. Work gloves to protect your hands. And a small bag to keep your personal effects. Now we are ready to build. These are the various activities that you will be doing. You may be doing one or more of these tasks while at the site. Sand sieving. Sand is sieved to take away pebbles and stones. 2 volunteers hold the sieve on both ends, while 1 or 2 volunteers shovel the sand to the sieve. The volunteers holding the sieve then move it to and fro to sift the sand. The pebbles and stones are thrown on a separate area. The sieved sand is placed on a bag to be brought to the cement mixing area. Hauling. Concrete interlocking blocks are brought from the production area to the house construction area through push carts. Make sure to stack the blocks securely to avoid falling or breaking. Rebar fabrication. Steel bars, which are placed at specific distance, are bound together by volunteers through small wires. A U-shaped wire is wrapped diagonally over 2 intersecting rebars. The wire is twisted using a nail until the intersecting bars are securely held together. Painting. A primer of white paint is placed over the facade of the house. Outline first the edge of the blocks. Then paint using one direction only. Let us now move on how to manually make the concrete interlocking blocks. First, put a wood beneath the mold. Then, lock the mold and put pipes through the holes. Second, pour the cement into the mold. Pound the cement as they are put in. Flatten the top of the mold once the cement is compact. Then, slowly pull out the pipes and open the mold. Be careful when bringing the block out to the drying area. For those assigned in the houses, you will be doing brick passing, brick laying, and grouting. To start off with the passing, form a chain of volunteers from the stacks of blocks to the interior of the house. Carefully pass the blocks from one person to another. Once you have enough blocks in the house, lay them around the floor area to form a wall. Make sure to lay the blocks alternately. Use the 3-hole blocks and the 1-hole blocks at the edge of the walls. Be careful of the steel bars to avoid being cut or bruised, particularly on your face area. At the 6th layer, use a different kind of block for the grouting. Once all the blocks in the 6th layer are laid, pour cement over the holes for grouting. When you are done grouting the 6th layer, you may proceed with bricklaying. Make sure though that in everything you do, you ask your construction supervisor or team leader or skilled worker for guidance. Always think of safety first. Do your work with utmost care and observe quality control at all times. So what are you waiting for? Grab those gloves and get ready for work. I build communities. What will you build?